I would have somebody that owned a shop or something would ask me, you know, can I go to your shop and spend the weekend with you? I'll pay you, you know, just to you know, so you can teach me how to do some of this stuff. It started out with that, and then it slowly started growing into just opening up to the public and just allowing whoever's interested in learning this kind of thing to join in. So when we do these classes, it's not necessarily always people that are in this field to begin with. Most of the time it's people that are in some random, you know, type of work, and they're just interested in this and they want to try it out. So this gives people kind of an opening to do that. But I've also had people that have been around building bikes for a long time that just have never really gone into the metal shaping part. When I started working in the shops, I always was the most interested in being able to like make something out of nothing. Basically, it's just what I enjoy doing the most. Metal shaping is very much you're doing it on your own. So I do every class that I have. Everybody's skill level is completely different. So I have people that are like brand new that have never done any of this type of work before, and then I've had people that have been, you know, welding and doing metal work for a good amount of time. But it doesn't really affect one or the other. In fact, I think sometimes it's a good thing, because when people have never done this before, they kind of come in with a different mindset of what it is. And I think one of the like really special things about these classes is the people. The people that sign up for them are usually like very motivated people to begin with. You know, they're like paying for the class, they're paying for their way to get out here, their hotel, you know, taking time off of work. And so they're people that are already like very driven. They want to be here. So what's cool about that is that, you know, a lot of times you'll have somebody that's never done it, people that have done a little bit of it before, and then, you know, they get to know each other. They're like helping each other out, and I think that makes it kind of interesting, you know, having different types of people at different levels. But as far as the work, I mean, when you're in there working in the classes, you're very much on your own. Even though there's people around you, each person has their own project that they're working on. So they're focusing on whatever problems it is that they're going through throughout the days that we're here. This is the fourth one that we've done where Carl, Japan's Carl, comes in. He's from Canada. He took my class, I think, 2018, and he's really good at it. So we became good friends, and recently, 4 classes ago, I asked him if he wanted to jump in and like come down and help me, you know, run the class. So that way there's 2 of us, it makes it for a better class. You know, there's more support around, and also for him to kind of like teach his system of doing things, because he does a lot of stuff by hand. So I think that improved the class, because not everybody that leaves here from the class is going to have access to these machines again. A lot of people want to go back to their garage and just get started making stuff, you know?
I think this class is special because of Thursday night. Thursday night is the meet and greet. We have tacos and you know, there's beer, and we just kind of like hang out and you get to know everybody's names. So you're not coming into the class with all these new faces. Like, you got to have a little bit of a connection the night before, and everybody gets to know like kind of what you're working on, what you hope to get out of the class, where you're from, that sort of thing. So I think Thursday is like a critical night, and it's really cool. And the best tacos ever. And then Friday is also like, it's unreal, because this class, you get on the tools immediately. Like, Friday is, we're all metal shaping, we're all making bowls, and the purpose of the bowl is to learn how to shape and learn what the machines are doing to the metal. There's a bunch of different machines here. It's not all the exact same machines. So making the bowl and getting to try them all out and getting a feel for it is really important. And the fact that the bowl is a symmetrical shape, you can kind of assess what's happening to it easier because it's supposed to be symmetrical, so you know how much you're putting into it, and it's just a good shape to learn on. So that's Friday. We also get into hand metal shaping. We do a little bit of tucking with the Mother Tucker hammer. That's one that I've designed and brought down. I make them, and so we use like a shrinking stump, and we metal shape with those as well. So that's Friday. It's the bowl day, you know. And then Saturday, which is the day that we're on today. Saturday we're making wireframes and learning how to take a thought, make a design, and then take a pattern of that and then replicate that. So it's a little bit quieter day. You know, Friday we're all smashing and there's tons of noise and everything, and then right now we're doing wireframes and we're paper patterning. So it's a little bit quieter, and then once we get a grasp on that, then by Saturday night we've hopefully got all of our templates made, and hopefully we've started shaping, so that Sunday is just on the machines all day trying to build your gas tank.
If it's something that you're interested in, you know, just jump in and just get started. You know, don't think about it too much. Just get in. Yeah. Cool.
Here's how soldiers eliminate mosquitoes around them in just 90 seconds or less.